What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we posted because all of you guys know we're getting a car wrapped at Ely Wraps. Behind me is my Lamborghini Aventador. I'm just kidding. It's our car cover that we can find, but it doesn't even fit the car. Anyways, before I show you guys the color and all the new stuff we've done, the wheels, the aero, and a bunch of other stuff, I just want to say our goal here, or my goal, was to build the most badass 22 WRX, at least exterior-wise right now, because there's not much performance available. So, but that's the goal. You know, the guys here at Ely Wraps put in a lot of effort this past 2 weeks. It's 2 a.m. right now, and Subi Fest is in like 4 or 5 hours. So they put in a lot of work. You know, we're putting a lot of effort into making this car super dope for you guys to see, and hopefully, you guys, as enthusiasts, will pick up a 22 and do the same. But anyways, enough talking. By the way, shout out to LaCroix. I hope you guys sponsor me one day because I drink like 20 cans a day. Anyways, off topic. So let's just get started. I'm gonna show you what it is. So all right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I present you our wrapped and I guess the final form for this year's Aeroflow WRX. Yoink! Damn! All right, guys, here it is. This is, for those who guess the color, you already know what color I've been, talking about, doing those like edits on the shorts and reels on Instagram. So here it is. I went with the Battleship Gray by Tech Wrap. So it's like a Nardo Gray, Battleship Gray in the mix. Has a little bit blue in person, but you can't really tell. So let's get started right off the front, okay? As you can see, we have the brand new splitter. This is the version 6 splitter. The fin slightly more different, a little more aggressive. I designed this myself. I really like especially with the Battle Gray, I think more aggressive fin will look super dope. Let me know what you guys think. And our body shop, we did the whole front all gloss black. So the middle piece, the side fog light covers, originally the hex texture, the cladding in matte. So we did that all in gloss black to give it the grill, give it that contrast. Looks amazing, black and gray, and then the emblem too. So we have this emblem color available if you do plan to wrap this car. And then coming to the side, wheels. How can I forget the wheels? We went back with the T37s, but this is the most aggressive setup on the market right now. And the sizing is 18 by 10 with a 38 offset, 255, 35, slight stretch. Now this setup is super hard to run. And the reason why is the rears don't fit at all. Kevin pretty much banged up the fender, like he legit banged it up about maybe 3 centimeters. So it'll give us that extra clearance plus a 255/35 with the 10 is a slight stretch. Michelin PS4S, super good tires. Love it. Lug nuts, we gotta change. And wow, so much stuff. I don't even know where to start. The rear bumper, let's get started with the rear. So we did all the matte finish. The bumper here in gloss black, even the side here, gloss black. Exhaust measure, gloss black. It really pops now, especially with the gloss black diffuser, V1, and then the Remark exhaust tips. Oh my God, beautiful. Emblems, we took everything off. I left the WRX in silver. A lot of guys coming here like, oh, you should do it black, But honestly, look, let me show you something. Around the emblem here, it's silver. So I give it a little bit, a little bit touch, Keep it a little original, right? The wing, we wrap. The middle part, gloss black. Our customer Trey, on the last video, you've seen the white WRX. We did the black center with the white. So I like that style, and I stole his idea. Thanks, Trey. And then we did the black, super sick. Tail lights, we didn't touch much. Side skirts. Now, a lot of guys say, paint the side skirt, paint the side skirt. So originally, I painted the side skirts gloss black as well. In the process, I decided last minute, I was like, you know what? Let's just wrap it. Just see how it looks like. Because myself, I've been really curious as well. So here it is. Color match side skirts with elastic. Color match side skirts with the Ely Wraps stickers and our V1 Aeroflow Dynamic side skirt. Super clean, super just so beautiful, man. This car is amazing. I was planning to tint the headlights, but I didn't. Oh, the grill. The hood scoop, we did with the black contrast again. So a lot of black and gray contrast. Banner, I did the red Aeroflow stickers to match the Volk Racing sticker. So again, some contrast. I want to make this build really, really clean. So I think this is by far, oh man, I'm just kind of speechless right now. I'm just looking at this car. been here staring at it for the past 20 minutes before we filmed this video, by the way. So I'm just like in awe. But anyways, the front, I'm planning to lower the car. We didn't have time, so like I said, it shows in a few hours. I still need to lower the car a little bit, adjust the camber, get a little more camber. Right now it's currently at -3. So probably get to like 3.6 if we can. If not, no big deal. We haven't test drove the car yet, but we're going to in a bit. All right, guys. So again, Wrx did an amazing job. I want to give a big shout out to Kevin, Eduardo, Jimmy, David, and Jerry. So they've been here grinding all night. So it came, this is a perfect job. Look at this. This is not a cheap job, guys. Cheap as in like the quality, you know, this is really good quality. Look at this. No shortcuts, everything's tugged exactly how I want it. If you're in the market to get your car wrapped by Wrx, I think they charge like 28 without the flares. And then like with the flares, it's like 3,600, 700 something. So, you know, you pay for what you get. I don't know if the camera the camera do not do any justice, okay? But it's freaking amazing. Like, oh my God. I love it. With black and gray. I can't wait to drive this. Like I said, I haven't driven the car yet. It's late. But tomorrow we'll take it to CBFS. You know, by the time you finish, by the time you see this video, we already been at CBFS. So if you've seen the car, great. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know, you know, how you feel about the color. And all the little details we added to the car. Personally, I really love it. Like I said, I want to build the best 22 Wrx, you know, in the world. I guess in the world. You know, there's some other shops right now, like Anderson Performance, I believe. They're doing like a big turbo kit. Very excited to see that. They're doing Brembo kits. You know, we need some Brembos because these brakes, puny, you know. So we're excited for that. And that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you like the wrap. I hope you know, like what we've done so far to the car. Hope it inspires you to pick up a 22 Wrx and mod it yourself too. Other than that, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I have a lot of plans coming up for next week. Engine stuff and more. And yeah, that's it. No more wheels, by the way. This is the last time wheels I'm doing. That's it. Done. We sold our white Volks ZE40s that I saw in the last video. And that's it, guys. Oh, time out. We do have some parts coming in from Aeroflow. Really special parts. Some aero parts, new wing spoilers. So keep you guys updated on that. All right, guys, so that's it for our car. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We have a show in 3-4 hours, and I'm going to take a quick power nap, and then I'll see you guys next time.